Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a winter storm update, and you're probably wondering what illness I have. Well, sorry I didn't come back and tell you guys. You probably saw the comment, I don't know though. But I have influenza A, flu A. So yeah, I still have a cough, I'm feeling a little bit better. I don't have a fever no more, but anyways, here's what our blizzard's doing. Oh my god, that was strong. Holy shit. Whoa! Can't even keep this door. Oh my god. I'm going out there. Wow. You know, surprisingly, we haven't lost power though, so that's good. But anyways, that's gonna be it. It's like 6 at night.